It's Tim Albright with AVNation with the road to InfoComm. InfoComm 2023 happens June 14th through the 16th in beautiful Orlando, Florida. And with me to talk about Listen Technologies and their booth, my buddy, Mr. Sam Nord. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Great to be here. Thanks for having me.
Good to see you. Good to see you as always. We'll see you in Orlando. 2961 is the booth where you will be stationed, Mr. Nord. So when we walk into the Listen Technologies booth, what will we find this time?
Well, this is very exciting. This is probably the most exciting. Well, let me take that back. We're always excited to be at InfoComm. I should always preface that. We're never not excited. But this year, we're particularly excited because we're doing our biggest launch that we have done in probably a good 5-6 years. I think everyone is well aware, hopefully everyone's well aware, of our Wi-Fi based audio over Wi-Fi product, Listen Everywhere. And this year we're doing a massive relaunch of that product line. To start with, we're renaming it. We're renaming the Wi-Fi line Listen Wi-Fi. We're rebranding that to give you kind of a clear and simple descriptor to kind of align with our other product lines like Listen Talk, Listen IR, Listen RF. But far more than just being a change of name, this is a launch that has been a long time in the making, so we're really excited to introduce this. This is going to include all new Wi-Fi servers, so the whole line is going to change. It's going to include a brand new in-house, made by Listen receiver, so dedicated receivers to meet ADA and, very importantly, international compliance standards. So these are receivers that can be used not just in the U.S., but anywhere where there's any sort of compliance standard for assistive listening. And what we're really excited about, we're also going to be introducing Listen Wi-Fi beacons. And what the beacons are going to do is they're going to introduce the ability to connect audio automatically. So whether you're using your phone for, kind of a BYOD solution, or whether or not you're using one of these receivers, you can simply walk into the room. Instead of having to kind of sit there and say, how do I find the right channel? It's just going to automatically connect you to the right channel in the right place seamlessly. So that's something that people have asked for years. How do you get to the right channel? How do I get to the right audio source? How do I prevent people from who I don't want to be able to hear audio in this room rather than that room? How do I prevent that from happening? So there's some really key features that our clients, consultants, end users, dealers have been asking for years, that this is one of those exciting years where we can say, all that stuff you've been asking for, now it's here. One other thing I should mention, in addition to some new software that really simplifies the process of using the Wi-Fi product, people have also been asking for years for emergency override capability on the Listen Wi-Fi-based system. So in other words, if you're using Listen Wi-Fi, using it for assistive listening or any other purpose, and say there's an intruder in the building, or there's an earthquake, there's a fire, and you want to make sure anyone using the system gets that same emergency notification, we're introducing a feature within the software where you can dedicate any one of the channels to emergency notification, so that as soon as that channel is activated, it's going to override any other channel, whether you're using a 2-channel system, the 16-channel system, or if you've stacked 50 channels. It's going to overtake all those channels, so the people using the system will still get all those emergency notifications. So as you can imagine, we're very excited to introduce this. It's been a long time coming. People have been asking for this stuff for a really long time. So very excited to talk about this, and more importantly, show this.
That is awesome. Well, and that's the thing is, right, that gives us a chance to really connect with dealers and also end users as well at InfoComm. So absolutely. Sam, we'll find you in 2961. Not everybody gets to go to Orlando for InfoComm. So if they're not going, but they want to follow along with all of these exciting announcements you'll be having that week, how can they do that?
Well, we hope that people can join us because it's actually our 25th anniversary. So it's an exciting year for us. So we'll be doing a lot of celebrating in Orlando this year. So we're really excited to celebrate 25 years of offering great assistive listening products. But in the off chance that you're not able to make it, you can visit our website at listentech.com, and on any of the social networks that you're used to jumping on at Listen Tech.
All right, very good. Sam Nord from Listen Technologies. We'll find Sam 2961 for us for AVNation. Go by our website, avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv, and follow along as we also head to Orlando June 14th through the 16th for InfoComm 2023. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.